Roofing costs! If you're thinking about replacing your roof on your home, you probably have a lot of questions, especially about costs.
As residential general contractors, we know that a roofing replacement is one of the best investments you can make on your home.
Today, we're going to break down the factors that affect roofing costs and what you can expect to pay here on Long Island in New York.
We'll even go through a real cost example.
Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what goes into the cost of a roof replacement. Here are 5 key factors that affect the price of replacing your roof. Number 1, roof size. Pretty self-explanatory, but the larger your roof, the more materials and labor that are going to be needed. Roofing costs are typically calculated per square, and 1 square equals 100 square feet. This goes for both material and labor. So, the more squares of roofing that you're doing, the more expensive the project.
Number 2, material choice. Here on Long Island, asphalt shingle is the most common roofing material used. This is due to their cost effectiveness and durability. But if you're considering some of the higher end options like cedar, slate, or metal, those will significantly increase the cost.
Number 3, roof pitch and accessibility. Steeper roofs and hard to reach areas require more time and more effort to install that roof, which means higher labor costs.
Number 4, removal of an old roof. If your old roof needs to be removed, that's going to be an additional cost to factor in. Oftentimes, older homes have multiple layers of asphalt roofing. That's going to drive the cost up even more.
And number 5, repairs to the structure. If there's damages to the decking or the underlying structure, this will also add to your costs. And now, what can you expect to pay for a new roof here on Long Island?
Now let's talk numbers. For homes on Long Island, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect.
Keep in mind, these are averages for here on Long Island. First, asphalt shingles. You can expect to spend somewhere between $9,000 and $15,000 for an average-sized home here on Long Island, New York.
Next, metal roofing. You can expect to spend anywhere from $17,000 to $30,000 depending on the size and design.
And then we have slate or cedar shakes, where you can expect to spend $27,000 to $50,000 or even more than that for premium materials.
Last but not least, flat roofs. Expect to spend anywhere from $9,000 to $20,000 depending on the material and scope of the project.
And again, keep in mind, these are just averages. The final cost depends on your home's size, design, and any additional work that might be required. And now, let's dive into a real cost example. This is a home located in Port Washington, New York. Here, we ripped 24 squares of existing asphalt shingle and replaced it with 24 squares of GAF HD Ultra Architectural asphalt shingles. The labor to rip and replace 24 squares of existing roof, flash the chimney, and replace any miscellaneous plywood came in at $5,900. The material for the roofing, underlayment, ice and water, nails, flashing, and any other materials we needed came in at $6,400. We needed 1 roofing dumpster to collect any debris from the existing roof, which was $1,300, giving us a grand total of $13,600. And now, 4 tips to get the best value when you're doing a new roof on your home.
Replacing a roof is a big investment. Here's 4 tips to get the best value for your money. Number 1, choose quality materials. Investing in durable, high-quality materials will save you money in the long run by lasting longer and requiring fewer repairs.
Number 2, work with a reputable contractor. Always hire a licensed and insured contractor that knows the local building codes and has experience in the area that you're located in.
Number 3, get multiple quotes. Shop around and compare quotes, but don't just go with the lowest bid. Always look for quality and reliability.
And number 4, plan for the right season. Spring and fall are always the best time to be replacing your roof here on Long Island, New York. The weather during this time is mild and reduces the chance of any potential delays.
A new roof not only protects your home, but it also boosts your curb appeal and overall value. By understanding the costs and planning ahead, you can make an informed decision and feel confident about your investment.
If you have any questions about roofing replacement, or if you're located here on Long Island, New York, and need a quote, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more renovation tips and costs. And let us know in the comments below what questions you have about your roofing project. See you next time.